Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Since it's summer and watermelon's available, we're going to be making watermelon mojito today. It's very simple, a very few ingredients you need to make. You simply need sugar, mint, soda, ice, and lemon juice and lemon slice. You need watermelon cubes or crush. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, that's the optional. 1 pinch of salt. 1 to 2 lemon juice or lemon slice. 1 to 2 tablespoons sugar or per your taste. Lots of ice. And a soda. You can use Sprite, club soda, water of your choice. You can add mint as much as you want and mix really well. It tastes really good. You must try. This is really refreshing cocktail drink that you're going to be enjoy through the summer. Garnish with some watermelon cubes and mint, and it's time to enjoy. Thank you for watching.